Hey, what's going on, you guys? Joshua Elder here. I want to personally congratulate you for joining the Six Figure Partners program and really putting your faith and trust in me. I'm literally going to walk you through step by step and click by click exactly how I've built my actually a multiple seven-figure business using nothing more than YouTube, my laptop, and even a smartphone. Now, most of you guys just want to simply copy and paste my videos and profit and leverage my influence. And that's completely fine if you want to do that. But I wanted to create this short intro video to get you motivated, get you excited. I want you to be dedicated to this for the long term. Don't buy into any other distractions. Unsubscribe from all other gurus' emails because you need to focus on this. This is going to be the turning point for you. This is going to be the program that completely changes your financial future forever. So if you trust in me, you trust in the process, you log in every single day, you do exactly what we outline, there's no doubt that you're going to start producing results and have the success that you finally deserve and that you finally need for yourself, your family, and your freedom. So first of all, just in the past 24 hours of launch, we've done $10,000 in sales, which is pretty awesome in such a short amount of time. Why? Because people absolutely love this offer. They love the ability to go out there and do something in the modern age that worked back in 2010, 11, 12, when email marketing was super hot. I could tell you there were so many teams out there that were crushing it with email where the leader would write out an email swipe. In other words, they would write out an email, other people could copy that email, they could copy their funnels, they could send it out to their list and profit. And that is still very possible, but it's now the modern age. It's now social media. It's now video. 80% of the traffic out there on the internet is in fact video traffic. So what are we going to be doing? We're going to be leveraging video and leveraging social media and riding that wave. So all you need to do is dedicate yourself to this program. And in this video, I want to walk you through exactly how to get set up with your own affiliate account. So all you need to do, number one, is click the link below this video, and it's going to lead you to a page that looks like this, okay? And all you need to do is click on affiliate sign up, and it's going to pull up a page. We'll go ahead and give it just a minute. And then we're just going to go to free sign up. And then all you need to do is fill out the information here as described, and then create your free account. After you create your free account, you're going to receive a confirmation email where you're going to be able to log into your account. And if you ever lose that confirmation email, to log in, all you need to do is go to app.kartra.com/login and use your email address and password that you entered when you first signed up here, okay? And if you ever forget your password, all you need to do is click on Forgot Password here. And it won't be my support, but it will be Kartra's support, okay? You won't be reaching out to my support. You'll be reaching out to Kartra's support because they take care of the infrastructure and the affiliate program here. You'll reach out to them if you have any problems with logging in. So once you get everything's entered and you get signed up, you're going to enter in your email address and password that you used to create your account, and you're going to click login right here. Once you log in, you're going to be led to a page that looks like this. Now, this may change over time. For this specific program, we're going to be focused on the six-figure partner program. I know there's other links right here, but we're just going to be focused on the six-figure partner program. It's a $3,000 product. You're going to receive a 50% commission, okay? So every time you make a $3,000 sale, you're going to get $1,500 commission. Now, of course, there are some merchant fees. I think it's like 2%. So pretty close to $1,500 per sale you're going to earn following this whole entire process I'm going to lay out for you. So all you need to do is click on my link right here, like I just did right here. Click on my link, and you're going to have your promotional links right here. Don't worry about the JV broker link. All you need to do is worry about your affiliate link right here. You're going to click that link, and there's two options that we have for people. There's the one-off payment, which means it's just a one-time payment of $2,997. And then there's the payment plan for people that aren't able to do the one-off. So I'm going to show you what each of these pages look like. And this is just going to send people straight to a checkout page. And everybody's going to have a different affiliate link. So you're not going to have this affiliate link. Yours is going to look a little bit different. And you're going to be able to share this affiliate link around on the internet. Specifically, of course, in this program, we're going to be focused on YouTube, but you can still share it wherever you want. And it's going to lead people straight to the checkout page. So given that you've followed the script that we're going to give you, after they qualify, you send them to this page. Okay? So this specific page is for the one-off payment. Again, it reiterates exactly what they're getting, and then they can continue and fill out their information just like many of you did. And then they'll make the payment, and they'll get instant access to the members area. They'll also get instant access to the Facebook group, just like you did as well. So that's the one-off payment link, and all sales will be tracked back to you. So as soon as they make that payment, you're going to get a notification that you received a commission. All payments, affiliate payments, are made 30 days after the sale is made. This helps us avoid chargebacks, refunds, a lot of people that, we don't want in the program to begin with, okay? So I'm going to show you how to fill out your information so you can ensure that you get paid, and you get paid on time every single month. And then you have the six-figure partner payment plan, which is this payment plan right here. That's the link. I'm going to open up a new tab. I'm going to show you what this looks like and the different payment options. Again, there's a 2-pay plan, and then there's a 3-pay plan. Give this a minute to load. So it actually lists all the 3 options here. But most likely, your prospect, if you're sending them here, they want to do a payment plan. The 2-pay is 2 payments of $1,597, $1,597, spread 30 days apart. And then you have the 3-pay plan, which is $1,197, spread 30 days apart. So that's the link that you would share if people are doing a payment plan. Now, what you want to do is you want to make sure, after you acknowledge that, you go over here to payment settings. When I click on payment settings, you want to make sure that you check off PayPal, and then you click here and you connect your PayPal account. Okay? So this is going to essentially integrate with your PayPal. So I'm just going to click on login right here, and then I'm going to enter in my PayPal information, and Kartra is going to directly communicate with PayPal. Then we're going to select grant permission. And then after we do that, we're going to be set up and we're going to be good to go. So we'll go ahead and wait for that to load. Boom. Now it says your PayPal email has been integrated. We're going to click on next. And then we're going to click the drop down and click on PayPal. So we will be providing another way of payment here in the future. If you absolutely can't do PayPal, reach out to us at support at joshuacoelder.com. I would suggest that you actually click the support button here within this site. I'll actually post it below to ensure that you get an answer as quick as possible. I would actually recommend that you do that, because there's not a guarantee with email these days that I will actually receive your email through support. So let's just make it easy and make sure that you contact our help desk on the link below this video. And then your tax documentation, after you click save right here, we want to provide a security answer. So I'm going to provide that here. I'm going to click on submit. And then tax documentation, we're going to click on that. Change, right? And then select option. And then you select the option that best fits your situation. So U.S. citizen living in USA. Then you're going to fill out the W-9 form. Of course, if you feel, you live in the USA in my case. And then you'll go down here, fill everything out as needed, sign below, confirm, and boom. Save and close my tax documentation. Then you're going to come back right here. You're going to save that. And then you're going to click change next to verify your profile. And you're just going to follow the directions right here to verify your profile. After that, you are good to go. And you've got your affiliate links. You're set up for payments. And you're ready to dive into the program. So all you need to do now is complete everything from left to right. Very simple. Complete the training, and you're going to be set up for success. Thank you so much once again for putting your faith and trust in me, and I look forward to diving deep with you into this program.